Hi friends! If you are a fan of my neighbor Totoro, you're gonna love today's tutorial because we are drawing a cute Totoro donut. Let's get started! As we will draw a big circle first, I suggest you to find something like this. I have a container lid here and use it to trace the circle shape. To draw a smaller circle is easier, so I will not use anything, just draw by hand. That's exactly what we need. And now we are going to draw a leaf on the Totoro's head. We're gonna draw an S curve. One more curve from the bottom. S curve for the stem. Let's add some details to the leaf. And now we can go on drawing with the marker. Firstly, let's trace all the lines that we got. And now we can erase all the pencil lines. It's going good. Now I would like to draw his face. Totoro has round eyes. Two more circles inside. And I will add the highlight. The same for another eye. Now I will draw the nose. It's gonna be wide oval between the eyes. And one more oval from down in the middle. And I will add one thin line above the nose. Now let's give him whiskers. 3 from each side. And now we can draw his ears. 2 short lines. Same from another side. The shape of Totoro's ears reminds me a sunflower seed. We are going good so far. Now we can draw his hand holding an umbrella. Let's draw his hand first. And on the top of this curve, we're gonna add 3 fingers. For the umbrella handle, we are going to draw one straight line like this and one more nearby. Let's finish the handle from this side. And now let's draw the dome shape for the umbrella. And we will close that shape with 3 curves. On the top of the dome, let's draw one small oval. And now I am going to connect end of each curve with that oval. And we got a perfect umbrella. Let's draw one wavy line connecting 2 circles from one side and the same from another side. I want to add some details on Totoro's belly. I will draw just 5 of them. And finally, let's add 2 more curves to show the thickness of our donut. One here and one on the down. And we are done with the line work. As usual in all my videos, I will speed up the process of coloring so we could jump right to the fun part of thinking what else we can do with this drawing to make it even more fun. Let's get to the coloring. Okay guys, I am super happy with our Totoro donut. It really makes me smile. Now we finally came to my favorite part. Let's think what else we can draw to level this drawing up. You remember those suit sprites in the Totoro movie? I think they would look very cute here. Or another idea, because our Totoro is a donut, the suit sprites could be macarons. I'm sure that you have much more fun ideas, and if you want to share your drawings with me, you can send them to my email, which you can find in my channel's description. Thank you so much for drawing with me today, and see you next time. Bye bye!